All right, my friend, we coming to the end of this series. This is video number 10, hack number 10 of the 17 business credit score hacks. So if this is your first video that you've seen in this series, go back and watch the rest of them. But this one's going to be pretty simple, and I know it's going to be kind of obvious, but you want to make sure you don't get any liens or bankruptcies on your business credit report. Your business credit scores on Dun & Bradstreet only go from 1 to 100. So if you get a bankruptcy on the business side or any liens, it can drastically drop your score. And anything under 80 is not really considered that good. So in order to keep yourself from getting any bankruptcies, make sure that you're making your payments on time or early. I would prefer you make them early, but also put a calendar. I have a whole bunch of credit cards. So what I do is I create an Excel spreadsheet and I put down my due dates on there. Also, you can try to change your due dates. You can call them up and say, hey, I want my due dates to be on this day. And I would have your due dates for all of your accounts on 2 days out of the month. And on those 2 days, when those 2 days come up, you know it's time for you to make a payment. Versus you having 50 different accounts, or let's say even 10 different accounts, and you have 10 different due dates, and you got to pay 10 different times per month. It makes it a lot harder to track that stuff. It makes it easier for you to get a late payment, or easier for your business credit scores to go down because you forgot to pay early. So what I would do is make an Excel spreadsheet like I do. Put down your due dates, the name of the account, when it's due, how much you owe, what your balance is, what your credit limit is, things like that. I'll put all of that on a spreadsheet. So it's really, really simple. All you have to do is go in there, look at it, you know what you need to do next. And I would also put down when you make a payment, what date that was. Make sure you get your receipts. Make sure you keep all of your information. Always get your receipts on the business credit side. Because if your account doesn't report, you're going to have the proof showing, hey, I made this payment. Where's my credit for it? And you can mail that into them if you need to, or fax it into them, or email it. But you always want to make sure that you do that. Now, if you were for some reason to go late and go behind on your payments, you want to catch up as fast as you can, but also start building more credit on top of that. You know, your business credit scores are based off payment history. So if you have one little hiccup in your payment history, you can fix that. If you have 12 different hiccups, that's a different story.